Hey, family, this is Timlin Bowens, America's favorite EA and the owner of Bowens Tax Solutions, a virtual firm based in Louisville, Kentucky that specializes in helping taxpayers who owe the IRS $100,000 or more. In last week's video, I went over how to report your gambling winnings on your 2023 tax return. In today's video, I want to address how you are going to report your losses. If you are not a professional gambler and you itemize your tax return, which means you file a Schedule A, as you can see here on the screen. So you may have mortgage interest, state and local taxes, charitable donations, right? Then you will be allowed to write off or deduct your gambling losses. Now, here's the thing. The gambling losses can only be taken to the extent that you have gambling winnings. So if you have $250,000 in losses, but you only have $200,000 in gambling winnings, you can't take the full 250,000. You are limited by the amount of the winnings that you have, okay? So this is the 2023 Schedule A for itemized deductions. And if you scroll along here, you will notice that there is no line for gambling. All right. So what you will do is go to line 16 where it says other itemized deductions, and you will type out gambling, and then you will put the amount of the gambling losses. Now, this can be, if you usually play with tickets and you keep all of the tickets of the losses you have, you can total those up, right? With your lottery tickets, raffle tickets that you've purchased, or if you're playing the slot machines and you have a card from a casino, if they have record of all of the losses from the slots, you would use that information, and your total for the year is going to be what you put right here. Okay. Now, remember, when you report your gambling income on Schedule 1, that is going to be the gross amount, not the net amount. You cannot subtract your losses and put them on Schedule 1. You will put your losses here, line 16, which is other itemized deductions, and you will put the amount of losses that you have from that year from your gambling. And remember, you are only going to be able to take the amount up to what you have in gambling winnings. All right. If you have any questions about this, make sure you drop them down below. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. But last but not least, if you are experiencing an issue with the IRS, maybe you have a CP 2000 that tells you the income wasn't reported, but you do have the losses and you'd like the help of a tax professional to take care of this for you, then go ahead and visit bowenstaxsolutions.com. That's going to be www.bowens taxsolutions.com and book your free tax relief discovery call. All right? Any questions? Drop them down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys next week in the next video.